We are scheduled to meet the members of the National Assembly so that we can share in their experiences as to what is causing the dwindling fortunes of our party politically. We've had useful discussions with them, and I think they are suggestions that will help our party to unite and remain formidable. That's what has happened this evening.
Okay, sir. So what come up with from this meeting? What are these things that will make your party stand strong?
One obvious thing is that for any party to be able to go into battle and win is that there must be unity. And that's what we are going for.
So, in light of what you just said now, you are going to Ondo State governorship election by next month.
Yeah.
What efforts are you going to?
What we are putting into place is the National Reconciliation Committee, which has had a store of Southwest and Ondo election came up prominently, and we are putting our strategies into place.
Sir, what exactly are the issues? You talked about the fact that there's no unity. Those are part of the recommendations. But what have those National Assembly members told you are some of the issues?
As a general of 30 years experience, you don't declare your strategy in the public. If not, you will lose the war.
All right, General sir.
Anybody that has any quarrel with anybody in the party, they are the one we are reconciling.
Sir, are you aware of the issues that we had here before of somebody suspending somebody and blah, blah, blah? No? Are those things in your radar? Is the name of people, somebody like Nyesom coming up in all of this? What is
as far as we are concerned, we take that one as rumors because we are meeting with the National Working Committee tomorrow. So after tomorrow, then you can ask me all this. Thank you very much. Thank you.